Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Robinhood Crypto Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Robinhood Wallet application if you have already installed it on your device. Once you open it up, you will see the Get Started button. Go ahead and tap on Get Started and you will see two options. You can either create a new wallet or import from your existing one. Just tap on Create a New Wallet in order to start creating your new wallet and sign up. Now you can add a layer of security using either your Face ID or your PIN code. Use whichever option is suitable for you and this will set up your security credential. Then you have two different options to back up your wallet as well. It is recommended that you back it up manually so that you can log back in any other device. Just tap on whichever option is suitable for you and now you will be given some passphrase codes. Make sure that you copy these codes, which is also called your seed or key, in a safe place so that you can use it later in order to log back into your account. After saving your seed key, you will be asked to type in your seed key in the correct order in the next screen. After you type in your key in the correct order, your Robinhood wallet account will all be set up. You can tap on Yes, everything is okay if all of your information is correct. Then you will be asked to turn on notifications. You can tap on Maybe later if you don't want the notifications to appear. And now you can tap on the Let's Go button to directly start using your wallet. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Robinhood Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.